The Calibrite ColorChecker video helps you unlock the power of waveforms for exposure, Vectorscopes for color, and a custom white balance card on the back. If you're shooting with multiple cameras and lenses or varying lighting conditions, this will help you get the best color and exposure match possible. Available in sizes ranging from the standard ColorChecker video, the Video XL, and Mega, there's a size for you. The Passport video includes a smaller version with a different layout if you need an even more portable size. Each of its 32 patches on the front is a precisely formulated solid pigment tone, with no tints or halftone dots, manufactured under the tightest quality controls. Let's break down the layout. Starting in the middle, we have 4 large chips to create clear lines on your waveform monitor: white, light gray, dark gray, and black. The light 18% gray is designed to align with 40 IRE on your waveform monitor or your camera manufacturer's recommended 18% gray IRE value when shooting in log. The white chip, dark gray, and black help assess your camera's highlight and shadow range, either when shooting log or using different LUTs. The additional column of spectrally neutral gray squares is designed to give a grayscale ramp through the middle section of the tonal scale. Using the gray balance on your ColorChecker video allows you to see a scale of levels from 20 to 90%. Next, we have the primary and secondary colors laid out so they can easily be isolated with your editing software. These colors are formulated to match the colors used in video and film production. They can be used with the Vectorscope to adjust the production color, and for accurate color balance, use the hue and saturation controls within the color editing software to line up the color with the correct vector and location on the Vectorscope. Finally, on the back, there is a custom white balance chart, making it easy to fill the frame to create in-camera white balances. Whether you're dialing in your exposure or evaluating the color shifts in different camera setups, the Video ColorChecker helps you get a reliable, color-accurate baseline before your final color grade. Explore the links below for step-by-step workflow videos using your favorite software titles, and to see accessories to hold and store your ColorCheckers.